So currently, so I got a 2012 Civic Si. Currently right now we got full bolt-ons. It made 232, 188 foot-pound of torque. But we're doing the K2420 swap on it, 4-piston built. Pistons, rods, cams, fully built head, fully built block. So we're hoping to make 300.
And right now how's what, like 230, right?
It's like
something like that.
Yeah, 232 right now. So we're trying to get to that 300 mark on pump gas. We know we can get over 300 on E85, but we want to see what we can do on pump gas first, and then we make our way up to E85 eventually and stuff like that. But my aim is to show that it can be done. You know, a lot of people think that these cars are very hard to, you know, get power out of it or whatever. Or I guess you could say this is the bastard child of the Hondas, because, you know, the A-Gens has the better head, which they do.
Right.
But we want to prove to, we want to show that, hey, listen, yeah, they have the better head, but we can get the best of both worlds. You know what I mean? So if we put something together that's pretty much the best of the 8 gens and the stronger block of the 9 gen, which is the head of the 8 gens with the block of the 9 gens,
right?
Then we can create something crazy. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna make it happen. So this is the road to 300 on a 9 gen.
Yeah.
Road to 300.
Road to 3.
Road to 3. Bro.
Never seen it though. I've never seen it around here. You know, someone with this, like this model, Civic. You know, people do it with the other ones, the regular,
or the EKs or the EGs. But and that's the point. The point is to prove that this, most of these cars they make around with a fully built that I've seen is like 295, 293. But I'm like, nah, I think we can do better than that. We want to get to 300 or a little bit over 300. So, you know, with the help of Dry Cartel, 4-piston, you know, of course Craig, which is my mechanic.
Yeah,
we think we can make it happen. We think we can make that over 300 mark with our tuner, which is from CLM Motorsport, Cunha. So I think we can do something. We can make some power. You know, we're gonna make some power in it. So yeah, so we're here right now, the machine shop, starting to assemble the block.
Hopefully we're gonna show everybody from scratch what it looked like
from the start. So right now, currently, you know, we're assembling. Craig is assembling the block. So we have a 4-piston Typus oil pump, which is ported. Yep, ported oil pump.
Did you have to cut this one, Craig, like on the edges or no?
Yeah, 4-piston did it.
They already did everything.
They already cut it. Yep. So this is the 24 A2, or is it like he said it's a Z?
24 Z7.
Which comes out of what though?
The 9 gen.
13.
Oh snap! So you're using that block. Is that the first time you did that, Craig? Like doing it like that, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yep.
Using the block from a 9th gen.
Well, it has to, because the crank sensor is different. On
You're right though. Yep.
So the A2 wouldn't work. So you have to use the same Z7 block that's from the 9 gens, because of the position of the crank sensor and how these cars are set up. That's why we want to be the first to get this thing situated.
Guinea pig.
You figure it should be this close to the same, because that's what they normally make. You know, the Casers, they normally make 230, so.
Yeah, pretty much.
So it should be close.
The issue is though, Honda messed up with the 9 gens, bro. They gave us that gimp head. So we want to fix that. We want to make it the way it's supposed to be, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's a big cam though. 3.2 and then a 4.
Yeah, you got more. The direct car goes what you want and just put it together. That's pretty much it. Oh, I think this, so what's this for, Craig?
Huh?
This plate right here, what's this for?
That's to block off the. You remember it was regular.
Oh, okay.
You must relocate put your oil filter back where it's supposed to be.
Gotcha. See, I like that. I like that.
Antifreeze make it a circular motion to cool the engine. Just like a guide, that's all it is.
Yeah. No, I just noticed it was right here and didn't see it anymore, so I was just wondering.
Yeah, the custom 4-piston head bolts you need.
Yeah. Take that shit, bro. So these are custom built 4-piston ARP head studs. So they went to ARPs. You can't buy these from ARPs. You got to go through like a major manufacturer like Drag Cartel or 4-piston.
Right.
These are custom built just for them.
Interesting.
So, yeah, it is interesting.
So you can't just drop these in any. They're not really designed like that to just drop them in any setup.
They're designed for this motor for the head.
For the head. Yep. So these are designed. That's why they don't sell them like that, because it's not common for people to just do swaps. Yeah.
Correct.
It's not that common. So these are like ordered to specifications pertaining to the build that you're doing, type of thing.
Right.
Yeah, that's pretty much to put a true VTEC head on this body that need these custom heads.
Yeah, it's complicated. It's definitely complicated.
It took us almost a year to get this thing together, because a little bit about a year. I think it's about a year. Cause we started this like sometime last year.
Yeah.
April, May, like whatever. Because my boy brought his car, so you were like in the May-ish, right? Like yeah. So we started this whole thing like around that time. Starting to gather information and researching, and here we are, man. Like literally almost like a year later, trying to put the final piece together.
Yeah, this thing should be a beast for sure.
Yeah.
Anything from 4-piston is it's no joke.
Wait till you see the head. Oh, yeah. Wait till you see that shit. It's gonna be. Woo.
So even this is 4-piston as well?
It's a regular OEM head gasket.
That's regular.
Yes, sir. Bro, this is insane. I watch these shit all the time on TV, or like as in YouTube or whatever. I want you to see.
No extra insurance. We always do this. Good luck spray down,
Yep. Little secrets.
Put the jewel on.
Jewel.
Where's the?
Hear that shit, bro? Put that jewel on, bro.
Yep. He usually does this on almost every engine too. Like puts the copper spray on it.
Yeah.
give it a better seal.
$2 for a 25 for Heineken is what they cheap as well. They make them right, they put 6 or 7 fucking shots.
Guess he doesn't have a pin.
Just slide a bolt in the back.
Yep.
Yeah.
Get it on film as the thing's hitting the ground.
Oh man. They would probably just go home, go curl on the ball.
Rubber mallet right there.
There's a 4-piston.
Yeah. He paid them.
This guy sold the kidney to build this.
Yeah, they did. They went all out on this one.
Nice, but it ain't that nice. But after a while, does it mean that much being so smooth? I think you want something to break the fuel up too.
Yeah, I guess the robot knows better. They say they know how to put it. CNC 45.
You're too young to remember the show Lost in Space. Remember it?
Yeah, I remember that robot.
With the fucking robot. Warning, warning. Danger.
Danger, Will Robinson. Yeah.
That's the connecting rods coming through the side.
Let's see. Poor guy in that damn suit is hot as hell, probably.
That was in the past, is in the present now.
Yep.
The Jetsons.
So 70 in the first round, then you go what, like 90?
Yeah, 90.
On this.
It's like 90 is like nothing. Just the loop, torque loop, and the proper good torque wrench. Feel like nothing.
Bro, I love to hear when people talk shit about Hondas. Okay, you know what? We still kicking their asses, bro. That's the funny thing. Everybody who talks dumb shit about Hondas always get beat by a Honda, bro. They always do, bro. It doesn't matter if it's Porsche, Ferrari,
usually
Supras. It doesn't matter what it is, bro. They always get beat by Hondas. Always, always. It made them. It just takes the right Honda at the right time to destroy everything, bro. It's insane. Bro, that's
funny.
Bro, everybody knows. I don't care what no one wants to say. The best 4-cylinder motor ever is the K series. B series is not far behind. Don't get me wrong, but K series is the evolution.
The B is the evolution of the B.
Of the B. So, bro, you can do shit with bro. These motors are the most popular swap motors. Period. You got the two most. I guess you get the three most popular motor swap. LS, from the like the Dodge, the Chevys, whatever. So 2 JZs and K series. That's it. But K series is even better because it's smaller. They put that shit in Miatas. They put that shit in MR2s. Everything, bro. Everything. Prius. They have K series in Prius. Yeah, the girl. Prius, bro. The economy friendly car, bro. It's insane. Oh, come on, it's right here to get the K20 Z3 head or the K24 A2 heads.
Right, RBC.
Normally, so you got to weld the deck, which is right here. So pretty much it blocks off the oil port that's right here from the old generations, so that it can fit properly on the Z7 block. This is where the weld is from the full piston.
Damn.
Right,
yeah,
so it sits comfortably with no issues on the Z7 block.
That's to be able to do that and then sell it to a customer. You know that you can reuse it.
Yeah, because if you want to do this head swap without, you can send the head to them. They will do the welding part.
Correct. They do everything. Yep.
Yep.
Lube is your friend, Jesse. Lube is your friend. Make your torque motor much easier. She's using the torque and make it smoother. And here at Fisher Automotive, they're the best work, buddy.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you get a use that they are completely clean. That does clean them up.
Yeah, you get what you pay for, right? Those little details.
Real shit that came with like a thing called a what's it called? Maestra, something like that. But pretty much it was designed for that car to make everything work, like the steering wheel controls and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's for new cars.
For the new cars, yeah. No shortcuts, bro.
You learn the hard way.
Yeah,
For a piston, that means I do extra work, man. That's what I was doing. You pull them out, you check your springs. This is the spring there. I was do a double check so springs made nicely. Alright. Take this back apart and you put the cams in.
Yes, sir.
If your car's getting done, your car's in and out. I don't like keeping cars here.
Yeah, exactly.
Your time parking is money, man.
Yeah. It does good work though. I give him that.
Oh, of course.
Wearing shit. You know what I'm saying?
You told me about it. I did it and put it to the side. Like,
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It's simple as putting the grinder grind off 2 or 3 millimeters.
2 or 3 millimeters, yeah.
Not a big deal. You ever heard this? You heard this song? It's Jesse's fault.
Not yet, bro. I haven't heard it. Hasn't come out yet.
Elvis Presley.
I'm serious. I haven't met an Elvis person in my life.
I think I saw something like that before on YouTube. Some dude, some Elvis racing stuff, but maybe because it was in a car that I was interested in instead of watching.
Yeah.
Nah. I don't know, bro. It's insane how many haters that we have, bro. And we always kick their cheeks in. It's crazy.
Well, guys, looks like we're all done here. Buttoned everything up, and now it's ready to go in. So the next video is going to be taking out the old engine out the 9th gen and putting this one in. So stay tuned. Until then, we'll see you guys in the next one.